production. Welcome back, my people, from a different galaxy. Out of this world, on a different planet. Outliers, underground, whichever one you are from, you all gonna be always be welcome to the sun. Only channel you're gonna find yourself with the other under the same sun. The channel of the people. The channel of the working family, working class family, low income people. Thank you for your eternal support. Questionable loyalty. Thank you for your subscribe. We eternally appreciate it. Today I want to actually share this with you. It's really cool. Something really nice that you can actually use and have fun of it. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you. Pinchme. As funny may sound, Pinchme can send you free samples by mail, and you have to reply them back of what do you think from what they sent you. There is no catch, no credit card required. In a few words, there is nothing funky, nothing strange going on behind this. Through this you can get free samples instead of buying them, things that you normally will get. Just get free samples so you don't have to waste money. How it works. As simple as creating your profile, you gotta do that first. And then you gotta claim samples each month. And then you gotta share a feedback. Because that's what they catch it. They really wanna get your feedback about it. And then earn Pinchme coins and get rewarded. These are some of the amazing clients, things that people in company that we use on a daily basis, which is the great thing about this company. The thing that you're gonna be pinched with are gonna be items from company that you purchase every day. Who doesn't use products from Kraft? Nestle, Clorox, L'Oreal, Kellogg's, Hallmark, P&G, Procter & Gamble, Mars, PepsiCo, and more. I mean, you can use them in this company that is actually sell coffees, not Dunkin' Donuts, but the competitor that many people use this. Forgot their name, but they're a great company. The symbol is there. If you came up to my mind later on, I'll bring bring it up. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a big chunk samples of company that you know that you use products from, which are actually partner or with a deal with Pinchme to solidify their deal. If you really want to work with them, you can have to read more. But I just saying it because it came to, and why not to mention it? This is a channel that is actually in charge of providing you intel that would actually benefit you in different way. Yes, if you're interested about working with them, you can read more in here. But the channel is not mainly about this. That's why I don't want to go to that section. But I still brought it up so you get that a piece of intel as well. These are the simple, the recent sample that they trial. They have a new and exciting sample available each month to their members. Free samples in exchange for your not honest feedback. Why wait? Right? They actually provided this green Olay, Skippy, herbal wares. Products that you actually know. Okay. Let me see. Get started. There it is. You can actually sign up, connect with Facebook if you have Facebook, and they'll post on your behalf without your permission. They will never post on your behalf without your permission. Or you can actually put, sorry about that, you can actually put the full name, email, password, date of birth, zip codes, gender. Put them in and let go. But if you feel really uncomfortable providing this type of stuff, it's gonna be totally understandable. They still give you the option to connect with Facebook if you have a Facebook account, whichever it is. You can actually do it. Okay. All right. I gave you plenty of time so you can actually check this out pretty much, but do not worry about it. I am gonna put the URL of this main page down below on the video description so you can actually come and verify this on your own, at your own pace, at your own speed. Okay, so do not worry about that. So all right, this is the login section in case you already have an account, so you can actually get your free sample of the month and apply for it. This is a very clean and very nice website. I really love it. It says a lot about the company. Really like it. Very clean and straightforward website. I definitely appreciate that. I really like it. The question is, will you? Alright, please don't hesitate to write me down below the video, in the remark section. Share with us. If you already use the products of this company, please tell us what many of the new users should expect from this company when they actually being sent out some products. Do you you still have to follow the necklace or anywhere you really that normally you wear. I mean, when you apply for this, it's from home. I mean, I don't think it should matter, but many companies has a lot of restrictions. Um, Please share everything that you actually if you participated on this, what actually went down. Would like to hear it from you. Okay. Okay. Leave it up to this point. Thank you very much for your help. I hope you take a lot of advantage from this intel, which it looks like a really entertaining and really cool. And please, write or give me some likes, register to this channel. We really appreciate it that you provide some support to this channel. Thank you for everything, and don't forget to provide feedback about this video. Until the next time, I love you all. I hope you enjoy this. Have a wonderful day. Bye.